Dear friends, welcome to Student Impulse. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Vellore location. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. Please do not pay money for any kind. Firstly, there is a job opening for Eximio Services and Solutions. They are hiring for process associate. Hiring for international semi-vice process. Flexible to work in night shift. Basic typing and computer knowledge. Good communication and listening skills. Proactive. Shift is US shift. Timings 6:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. There are other than Vellore locations also available. Gindi and Ambattur. You can check with that. HSC and graduates from any stream can apply. Freshers also eligible. Fixed week off. Friendly work environment. Attractive package. You can contact Ms. Lakshmi Devi, HR on the given phone number for further details. The phone number is 9176 711 710. You can call in between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Monday to Friday. I have also included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will reply for that. Next, there is a job opening at Wonderworth Solutions for BPO executive. BPO executive jobs in Wonderworth Solutions. This is posted on October 27th. Company name Wonderworth Solutions. Designation BPO executive. Education qualification any graduation. Location Vellore. Experience up to 1 year considered. Salary is not disclosed. Job profile medical billing AR caller. Responsibilities are as given like this. Responsible for calling insurance companies in the US on behalf of doctors, physicians, and follow up on outstanding accounts receivable. Good understanding of accounts receivable. Calling insurance companies to follow up on claims field. To expedite payment. Should possess knowledge in AR analysis, AR calling, and denial management. Undertakes denial follow-up and appeals work wherever required, reviewing, appealing and rejecting unpaid and denial claims, documents and takes appropriate action of all claims which has been analyzed and follow-up in the client software, verifying patient's insurance coverage, answering patient billing questions, should possess knowledge in eligibility and verification calls, experience indirectly working with insurance companies, analyzes outstanding claims and initiates collection efforts as per the aging report. You can directly walk into the given address on November 5th to attend for the interview and get to know more information on that day. The walk-in address is given as number 24 Filter Bed Road, Saidpet, Vellore 632001. I have also included the official contact number and address details here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will reply for that. Next, for Eximio Services and Solution Private Limited, they are recruiting BPO non-vice. Salary offered up to 10,000. Freshers with any educational background are eligible. Job description is as below. Excellent analytical, listening and organizational skills. Candidate must have good English written verbal communication skills. In addition, English language comprehensive must be good. Candidate must be open to relocate to any location and work in shifts where and when required. Candidates must be available to join immediately. Excellent customer service skills and great enthusiasm for helping customers. Must be able to prioritize planning work activities efficiently to meet deadlines and high level goals and complete all job duty requirements. Must be able to adhere to schedule changes based on the department and our business. Must be an energetic self-starter with the ability to work both independently and within the team. I have provided the official contact address details here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. Next, for Global Healthcare Billing Partners Private Limited, they are recruiting trainee coder. Job description is as below. Qualification, life sciences paramedical graduates, day shift. Salary offered up to 9,000 starting salary and they pay periodical appraisal based on performance. Immediate joiners required. You can go through this link and apply, or else you can also contact on the given phone number for the head office. You can apply through this link or else directly and get to know more information on that. You can visit the official website link as well, ghcbp.com, to know more about the company. I have included the official contact address details here, Veluru office. You can check with this. Next, for the same organization, Global Healthcare Billing Partners Private Limited, they are recruiting executive coder, senior coder, SME, QC or group coordinator, medical coding department. Job description: specialty ER/ED, radiology, E&M, anesthesia, surgery and IVR. Experience: minimum 6 months to 6 years of experience will be considered. Shift timings: day shift. If interested, night shift allowance will be paid. Salary offered: up to 6 lakhs per annum plus incentives plus allowances. Notice period: immediate joiners are preferable and 30 days notice period is acceptable. Certification is available. Certified coder get good preference. I have provided the official contact address details here. You can check with that. You can go through this link and apply for the job. Next, for the same organization, Global Healthcare Billing Partners Private Limited, they are recruiting for executive AR caller, senior AR caller, SME, QC or group coordinator AR calling. Specialty required: good knowledge in different types of denials. Experience: minimum 6 months to 6 years. Shift timings: night shift. Salary offered up to 4 lakhs per annum plus incentives. Immediate joiners are preferable and 15 days of notice period is acceptable. I have provided the official contact address details here. You can check with that. You can go through this link and apply for the job. Next, there is a job opening for Wonderworth Solutions for a coder. Coder jobs in Wonderworth Solutions. Company name Wonderworth Solutions. Designation coder. Education qualification any graduate. Location Velur. Experience freshers or up to 1 year is considered. Salary is not disclosed. Profile: L1 associate medical coding. Any life science graduates: BSc, MSc, biology, microbiology, biotechnology, biochemistry, nursing, B pharmacy, M pharmacy, BPT, BTech, biotechnology, biochemistry, all are eligible. Candidates should have good communication and analytical skills, should be good at medical terminologies, physiology and anatomy. Shift flexibility required. Basic knowledge in MS Office preferred. You can directly walk in on the given address on November 5th and attend the interview. Walk-in address is number 24, Filter Bed Road, Saidapet, Velur 632001. I have also included the official contact address details here and also contact phone number. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Wonderworth Solutions, they are hiring medical coding positions. Any life science graduates: BSc, MSc, biology, microbiology, biotechnology, biochemistry, nursing, B pharmacy, M pharmacy, BPT, BTech, biotechnology, biochemistry. Candidates should have good communication and analytical skills, should be good at medical terminologies, physiology and anatomy. Shift flexibility is required. Basic knowledge in MS Office preferred. You can apply through this link and get to know more information. If you go through this link, you will be directed to this page and you can apply for the job by filling your detailed information. I have also included the official contact address details here and there is a contact phone number as well. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Wonderworth Solutions, they are recruiting digital marketing analyst. Minimum of 1 year of experience, preferably within digital marketing. Strong written and verbal communication. Proficient in the use of Microsoft Office packages. Develop and implement SEO and PPC strategies. Oversee and understand social media strategies. Manage and maintain the organization's websites. Write and optimize content for the website and social networking accounts. Track and analyze website traffic flow and provide regular internal reports. Edit and post videos, broadcast and audio content to online sites. Research new online media opportunities that may benefit the business, including mobile, social media, development and blogs and forums. You can go through this link and apply for the job directly. If you have any questions, you can ask me below in comments. If you face any difficulty, please let me know in comments. Definitely, I will be helping on that. I have included the address details here and contact phone number. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Wonderworth Solutions, there is a job opening for Associate Medical Coding. Any life science graduate, BSc, MSc, Biology, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Nursing, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, BPT, BOT, BTech, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, all are eligible for this position. Understand the client requirements and specifications of the project and code to charts accordingly. Should have 6 months to 3 years of experience in medical coding. Reviewing and analyzing patient records should be updated on the coding guidelines and CMS edits, adhering the quality standards and HIPAA compliance, meeting daily targets in their respective assignments, stepping forward to take responsibilities. You can go through this link and apply for the job. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. I have also included the official contact address details and contact phone number here. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, there is a job opening for medical billing AR analyst. Job description is as below. Should you have been in AR analysis for at least 6 months or up to 3 years of in your medical billing will be considered. Minimum 6 months is required. Should you have adequate knowledge in charges, denials, and account receivables. Prepare and organize documentation necessary to collect payment. Hands-on experience in rejections and denials. Denial documentation and taking further action. Check process dashboard on time if any rejection or denial found. Resolve the global issues by working with the process and inform the client. Work on the denial bucket claims. Review UOB, post the denials and take appropriate action on the denials. Resolve the denied claims. Update the practice specific denial count and dollar in the spreadsheet. Click below to apply directly. You can go through this link and apply for the job directly. The link is provided here. You can check with that. I have also included the official contact address details and contact phone number. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, there is a job opening for L1, L2 medical billing AR caller. Job description is as below. Should have been in AR analysis for at least minimum 6 months to up to 3 years of experience is considered. Should have adequate knowledge in charges, denials, and account receivables. Prepare and organize documentation necessary to collect payment. Hands-on experience in rejections and denials. Denial documentation and taking further action. Check process dashboard on time. If any rejection, denial found. Resolve the global issues by working with the process and inform the client. Work on the denial bucket claims. Review EOB. Post the denials and take appropriate action on the denials. Resolve the denied claims. Update the practice specific denial count and dollar in the spreadsheet. You can click the below link and directly apply for the link. You mean you can enter this link in a browser and you can directly apply for the job. You can I also provided the official contact address details and contact phone number. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Wonderworth Solutions, they are recruiting L1, L2 HR associate. Responsibilities and job specifications are as below. Handling end-to-end recruitment process. Develop and update job descriptions and job specifications. Perform job and task analysis to document job requirements and objectives. Work closely with hiring to develop position profile and to understand overall needs and requirements. Conduct interviews using various reliable recurring and recruiting and selection tools methods to filter candidates within schedule. Schedule interviews coordinated with the shortlisted candidates for the next levels of interviews till closure. Conduct initial induction to newly hired employees. Compile and update employee records, hard and soft copies. Good negotiation skills are required to discuss the pay and close offers. You can directly you can directly go through this link and apply for the job. I have included the official contact address details and contact phone number here. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, they are recruiting L3 position, Associate Medical Billing AR Analyst. Responsibilities and qualifications are as below. Should you have thorough knowledge at the end-to-end US medical billing process? Should you have minimum 2 years of experience in AR or denial analyst? Should you have a specialized hands-on expertise in analyzing insurance claim denials? Take steps for reprocessing of claims, working on the outstanding claim reports, account receivable reports, received from the client or generated from the specific client software. Manage the collection activities by collaborating with the various team members such as callers, coders, charge posters, payment posters, etc. Follow up to ensure all the actions are completed in order to get the payments from the payers. Identify causes for non-payment and communicate problems for corrective actions to be taken. You can directly go through this link and apply for this job. If you face any difficulty in applying, let me know in comments. I will help you. Next, for the same organization, L5 Associate Medical Billing Team Leader, Wonderworth Solutions. Job description and qualifications are as below. A minimum of 5 to 10 years of experience in medical billing is required. Hands-on experience on insurance AR follow-up, denial handling, billing, claims transmission is must. Analysis of client data and educating the client to help maximize revenue. Ensure effective communication with the client and the project and the issues faced by the client is resolved. Maintain daily operations reports, client reports, and management reports. Handling complete revenue cycle management for clients assigned. To assist new members of the team by passing on knowledge to help them understand the procedure better. To identify the training or coaching needs of the team members and provide the same to the manager. To conduct and initiate weekly, monthly team and the client meetings on a regular basis to ensure all problems are dealt with effectively and efficiently. Be directly responsible for fostering and the development of the team by motivating them. You can directly go through this link and apply for the job. And this is a team leader position. I have included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for VIT University for Junior Research Fellow. Salary offered 35,000 a month. Post name Junior Research Fellow. Number of posts available to. Experience required 2 to 5 years. Education qualification MSc. You must apply on or before November 1st. Selection procedure interview shall be conducted through online mode for the shortlisted candidates. You can apply by go through this link http://careers.vit.ac.in. And key skills is life sciences, biotechnology and microbiology, cell cultural biology research. Next, for Veluru Institute of Technology only, there is a job opening for Junior Research Fellow, CNBT, ICMR project. Job description is as below. Applications are invited for the post of Junior Research Fellow for an ICMR funded project in the Center for Nanobiotechnology, CNBT, Veluru Institute of Technology. Title of the project: Early Detection of Bacterial Contamination in Food Product under emulsified environment using quorum sensing based flow strip system. Number of positions: 1. Qualification: master's degree in microbiology, biotechnology, life sciences, biomedical, preferably with experience in bacterial cloning. Stipend offered 31,000 per month plus 8% HRA first and second year, and 35,000 per month plus 8% HRA for third year. You can go through this careers page of Velur Institute of Technology and you can apply for the job. Next, for the same organization, Velur Institute of Technology, there are openings for Junior Research Fellow, RA-DBT project, CBST. Job description is as below. Applications are invited for the post of Research Associate 3 category, RA for a DBT project in the Center for Bioseparation Technology. Title of the project is Development of a monoclonal antibody-based diagnostic method for the specific direction of COVID-19 viral antigens. Number of positions: 1. Qualification: PhD Life Sciences who with 2 years of relevant experience. Stipend offered 54,000 per month plus 8% HRA. You can go through the careers page of Velur Institute of Technology and you can apply for this position. Next, there is a job opening for Velur Institute of Technology only for the position of Digital Media Associate 1O Students Outreach. Designation: Digital Media Associate, Student Outreach Department. Workstation is Velur campus. Job summary is as below. Digital Media Associate should be an expert in generating and managing digital information, including blogs, social media, and websites for the institute. He or she will be pivotal in maximizing institute's website's presence, track, analyze, and report on performance of institute's website and social media. should primarily interface with various departments in gathering communications materials, should be an expert in managing online press room, including online press releases and photo assets, should assist in the management of general communications and public relations as needed, should be able to compose posters, ads, messages, etc. using Photoshop. Responsibilities are as below: design digital media campaigns aligned with the institute's goals, coordinate with creation of digital content, example, website, blogs, press releases, and broadcasts, manage end-to-end digital projects, establish the institute's web presence to boost brand awareness, maintain a strong online voice of the institute through social media, liaise with the marketing, sales, and product development teams to ensure brand consistency, suggest and implement direct marketing methods to increase profitability, stay up to date with digital media developments. You can go through the careers page of Value Step Technology and you can apply for this position. If you face any difficulty, let me know in comments. I'll be helping you. Next, there is a job opening for lab technician at Christian Medical College. Post name is lab technician. Salary is not disclosed. Experience, nothing is required. This is for fresher. Education qualification, diploma in MLT. Last date to apply for the job is November 2nd. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. You can go through the official website link of Christian Medical College Vellore and career space. You can apply for this position. If you face any difficulty, let me know in comments. I will help you. Next, for the same organization, Christian Medical College Veluru, they are hiring for assistant professor in the Department of Emergency Medicine. MD eligibility is MD in Emergency Medicine, MD in Anesthesiology, MD in General Medicine, MD in Pulmonary Medicine, MSc in General Surgery. Salary as per institution rules. Accommodation as per institution rules provided. You can contact on the given phone number or you can also share your resume at the provided email ID princi@cmcvelu.ac.in with a copy to HOD emergency medicine email emergency_medicine at cmcvelu.ac.in. There is a official contact address details here. You can check with that. You can share your resume and details and all the requirements for this. For clarification, you can contact on the given phone number. Next, for the same organization, Christian Medical College, they are recruiting for senior house officer in the Department of Emergency Medicine. Eligibility MBBS, salary as per institution rules, accommodation as per institution rules. Other details are 8 hours shift duties with 6 to 8 days off per month, exposure to a wide variety of cases and weekly academic sessions, opportunity to do research projects. You can apply with biodata and photocopy of certificates and you can send to the provided address or you can also share your on the given email ID. There is also a contact number given here. You can contact the on the for any queries. For the same organization, Christian Medical College, they are looking for senior house surgeons for neuro-intensive care unit. Applications are invited for senior house surgeons in the neuro-intensive care unit, Department of Neurological Sciences. Number of posts available 5. Eligibility MBBS. Stipend as per rules. Accommodation as per rules. You can apply with biodata and photocopy of certificates to the provided address. You can check with that here. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, for the same organization, Christian Medical College, they are looking for a vacant in surgical ICU and AICU for the post of registered non-PG with MBBS. Salary as per institutional rules. Accommodation provided, partially provided, depending upon availability. You can share your biodata to the given address. You can check with that. All details is available here. You can check with that. There is also email ID available. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Christian Medical College, they are looking for um, palliative care unit assistant professor with MD or T, DNB or T. Experience, should you have 1 year of experience as assistant professor in any clinical subject. Salary as per institutional rules. Accommodation provided, partially furnished depending upon availability. You can apply directly to the provider address. There is also email ID available. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Christian Medical College, there is a vacancy for senior resident. Experience required, newly qualified candidates with ND, MD, DNB in any clinical specialty. Salary as per institutional rules. Accommodation provided, partially furnished depending upon availability. You can directly share to provided address. There is also email ID available. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, Christian Medical College, there is a vacancy for junior resident. Grade 1 with diploma in any clinical subject. Salary as per institutional rules. Accommodation provided, partially furnished depending upon availability. You can share your details on the biodata on the given address. There is also email ID available. You can check with that. Next, there is job opening for Thyrocare Technologies Limited. They are looking for blood collection technician. Good experience in blood collection. Ready to do home blood collection. Two-wheeler is mandatory. Job timings will be 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Any DMLT, MLT nursing candidates are eligible. Age limit should be below 40 years. Job type part-time. You can contact on the given phone number or given address for further details. Next, there is a job opening for DI Infotech. They are looking for BPO telecaller. Stipend offered up to 6,500 per month. Management and resolve customer complaints, sell products and place customer orders in the computer system, identify and escalate issues to supervisors, provide product and service information to customers. Schedule is day shift, morning shift and night shift available. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. I have also included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for AGS Health Private Limited. They are looking for medical coding freshers. Roles and responsibilities are as below. Handle the day-to-day operations of the coding. Assign diagnosis of and procedure codes for the patient charts. Adherence to the company's coding compliance policy. Plan internal and external to improve the performance based on the feedback provided by the reporting manager. Decide candidate profile, life sciences graduates, B pharmacy, M pharmacy, nursing, BPT, MPT, BDS, MDS, MSc, BSc, microbiology, biochemistry, pharmacy, perfusion technology, physician assistant, nutrition and healthcare, health science, dental science. 2018, 19, 20 passed outs are eligible without errors and backlogs. For any queries, you can contact on the given phone number, Mr. Pradeep. You can contact on WhatsApp 73977 and this is for especially for freshers and you can check with the given WhatsApp number for further details. Next, for the same organization, AGS Health Private Limited, they are looking for freshers in medical coding. Responsibilities are as below. Handle the day-to-day operations of the coding. Assign diagnosis and procedure codes for the patient charts. Ensure 95% of quality on production. Adherence to the company's coding compliance policy. Plan internal and external clients to improve the performance based on the feedback provided by the reporting manager. Competency, skills and other requisites are as below. Sound analytical skill, logical thinking, attention to detail, average written and spoken English skills, compliance, awareness and implementation of ISO, ISMS and GIRC policies, adherence to the rules and regulations as outlined by the management, academic and professional background, life science graduates, compensation and benefits, competitive remuneration plus monthly performance based bonus plus health insurance and PF. Assessment or interview process is as below. Personal interview, online assessment, reading comprehension, A&P training. A&P clear candidates will be accommodated in the MC training batch. You can contact on the given phone number for further details of Veluru branch. I have also included the recruitment queries for contact details of recruitment queries. You can check with that. There is also official contact email ID available for applying for the job. You can check with that. Or one more thing, you can go through the official website link AGS Health Care Private Limited and you can apply for the job. If you face any difficulty, let me know. I will be replying for that. Let me know in comments. I will definitely help you on that and I will be reply for that. Next, for the same organization, AGS Health Private Limited, they are looking for transaction processing freshers. Responsibilities to ensure payment are posted with correct deposit date. The deposit date will differ from the posted date. The deposited date is the date that check was processed by the bank. To ensure that the invoice or medical record or encounter number match with the listed on the payment EOB or statement. To ensure that the correct date of service CPT and charge amount matches the invoice number listed on the EOB. To ensure that the appropriate check number, pay code, adjustment and rejection code are used during posting. To ensure that the appropriately indexed the check copy and payment EOB to the respective patient invoices. This may be based on the client software. Academic and professional background. University graduation is required. Compliance, awareness and implementation of ISO, ISMS and GIRSC policies. Adherence to the rules and regulations as outlined by the management, and these are all as required average written and spoken English skills, analytical thinking, compensation and benefits, competitive remuneration plus standard in industry benefits, relocation package, and candidates outside of office based city, for them relocation package and PF other accommodation facilities will be provided. Assessment or interview process, HR discussion, aptitude assessment, reading comprehension, typing test. You can contact on the given phone number for Veluru branch for further details. I've also included the other recruitment queries contacts. You can check with that. Next, for the same organization, AGS Healthcare Private Limited, they are looking for transaction processing charges and demo. Responsibilities are as below. To ensure payment are posted with correct deposit date. These are all almost the same as that, but this is a separate wing charges and demo. So you can check with the details here. University graduate with an average aptitude score is required, and the assessment interview process is same as the previous one. You can check with the other details here, and you can contact in the given phone number for further details. Next, for the same organization, AGS Healthcare Private Limited, they are looking for transaction processing refunds. Role summary: this position is based out of Chennai or Veluru office, responsible for the following: review the clearinghouse or system edits for the rejected claims, review the rejections or edits, reason and fix them as per guidelines provided, rebuild the claims in the claim building system as necessary. Academic and professional background: undergraduate in any stream, minimum 6 months of experience is required. Competencies, skills and other requisites: minimal written and spoken English, basic English comprehension skills, unflinching integrity and personal work ethics, attention to detail and concern for accuracy, an effective balance between breakthrough creativity and compliance for company process, time management skills, good team player skills, typing skills. Assessment process is same: HR discussion, reading comprehension, aptitude assessment, typing assessment. You can check with the given number and contact address for further details. Next, there is a job opening for hospital pharmacist for ARC International Fertility and Research Center. Salary offered up to 12,000 per month. Education qualification: B Pharmacy. This is only for female candidate. Food and accommodation will be provided. Schedule is morning shift. You can contact on the given address for further details. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. If you have any another job requirements which is not listed in this video, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that.